The Bollinger B4 Chassis Cab is an all-new, all-electric Class 4 commercial truck designed from the ground up with extensive fleet and upfitter input. The vehicle has a range of 185 miles and a payload of 7,325 pounds. Bollinger's unique quad-bend chassis design protects the 158 kilowatt battery pack and components to offer what the company called unparalleled capability and safety in the commercial market. Join me as I see how it drives.
All right, you just turn this dial, drive, and you're ready to go.
All the way to the right, right?
Mm-hmm.
I remember last year you had real good wheel cut.
Oh yeah, we do have a great wheel cut, especially the way that frame is designed. Where it tapers in.
So upfit with the box on the back, what do we weigh in at in this truck?
Well, this truck probably should weigh right at about 8,000 without any upfit on it, and then this box is probably maybe 2,600 is probably what it weighs. So you're probably looking at about 11,000 with the box and the truck. And the payload is 73.5.
Payload availability, not that we have that payload loaded.
Right.
Okay. Regen feels very refined. It's not too grippy. Now, if I come completely off the pedal in a minute, we'll see if it's...
how it's... But, you know, it's really funny because the last couple of people drove to say, hey, how, you know, they ask about the regen, and I said, you know, it's actually pretty subtle because some of them you get in, you feel like you're going to get whiplash with.
It's very subtle. Firm but subtle. Go ahead and right turn it here.
Yeah.
You've got
that's a one-way, I'm sorry. Go to the next
You've got a
there.
good suspension. Manhole cover, pavement seams. Now right turn.
Yeah, right turn.
This really soaks those up where I don't feel like I have to avoid every one.
We do have like about 2,500 pounds in the back of the box right now. But even if you didn't have the weight back there, if you notice where our two battery packs are located in the center of the frame by the axle, actually makes all the difference in the world of providing a better ride.
But like these two, you're in tight traffic, you don't really get a chance to. That one, if it wound up with the wheel, you would typically feel it in most vehicles, but I really like your wide angle mirror. Just a good square shape. It's just your eye doesn't struggle to find them. When I want to check where I am in the lane, it's just there. Even that pavement, we were slow but didn't really feel it. Now, are there any upfits where you have cameras on the side?
I haven't came across any upfits with cameras on the side. That'd be a nice feature.
Well, when you activate turn signal, kick the camera on. It's nice, but really if you're used to mirrors, really it can be a distraction to come down here versus here.
You know, that's one of the hardest things for me is when I get in a car, even with cameras in them. I'm so reliant on my mirrors. I'm used to using my mirrors. It's hard for me to use a camera. You can see everything.
One good thing, I really don't have that much of a blind spot. Maybe something actually on the ground, but cab's low enough, pedestrian walks in front, even a short pedestrian, we see them easily. And then the cuts in the window. I didn't just pull out in traffic. I just want to step on it.
You're good. You do whatever you like. You do. I want you to give me a feel for this truck. The acceleration's really good.
You know, this may be one of my all-time favorite regens.
Is it really? That's good. She turns quick.
Very nice.